Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a quick video together, just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2019 Renault Koleos. Now the service message normally comes up on the centre display here. I've actually reset it once on this one, but I'll just run you through the reset again and just how to do it. Now all you need to do is just put the ignition on stage 2 to start with. Then we're just going to use the up and down arrows there to scroll through and the OK button. But if you use the arrow to scroll through, just scroll through your menu to where it says service intervals. If we get to that, press and hold the OK button and it will come up with the interval, and keep the button depressed. Still keep it depressed until it starts flashing. You can see there it's obviously been reset. It will start flashing and then keep it depressed and it will eventually stop at the reset interval there. So hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.